Hey guys, this is Jemimah and welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Rocitizens and this time as well I'm robbing. But I want to try to escape on my boat and hope that the police don't catch me. So right now I'm just robbing to check if the police are AFK, or if they're catching criminals or they're helping people. So this is just a small robbery at the supermarket. But I also want to say thank you guys for all the 112 subscribers. I'm grateful for you all. Thank you for the views on the previous video as well and the love on the channel. I'm really grateful and I appreciate it a lot. But let's get into today's video, and do leave a like if you want to see me get arrested multiple times in today's video. It's a fun video. I had great fun playing it as well. And there seems to be one AFK police and one guy is in the bank next to a robber. I guess he's capturing him. They don't seem to be speaking much right now. But okay, they've lost my trail, so I have to stay hidden. So they are moving, but I hope they come to catch me, because otherwise the video is going to be very boring. There's one robber there, as you can see on my screen. And am I gonna get my loot? Because they don't seem to be coming after me. He's after the other guy. I think I got my loot, didn't I? Because my screen's not red and blue anymore. Yeah, I got my loot. Okay, moving on. Okay, so we are at Bailey's right now. Bailey's does give a good amount of loot. So we're robbing Bailey's, the clothing store. And the police were same active guys. As you can see, he's at the bank. And I hope he doesn't come to catch me. Though he's moving, so I think he's coming towards me. Oh no, this is bad. Oh no, she needs to hurry up, woman. Scarlett, hurry up. How did he already reach here? No. No, run. No. Okay, so I sped this up because this guy kept ejecting me out of my car and was making it almost impossible for me to escape. So I kept trying to move my car around and hope that he wouldn't come on to me. But he kept ejecting me. He was very successful at that, and my car was on fire at some point. And I had already spawned my boat because I thought I would easily escape. But this guy was very good at being a police, and he kept catching me every single time. I thought I would knock him into the trees because he kept coming on my car, but then look at him, he's just escaping like a pro. He's ejecting me out so many times, so I tried to keep running and spawn my car as a barrier, which failed horribly. And then eventually I accidentally clicked the wrong button and I got arrested. This is arrest count number 1. That was fun though. It was long chase finally, it seems. But we have to go and become a robber again. And because I was arrested, I'm also at the police station right now. But let's do this again because I want to try escaping on the boat. Sorry about that. Okay, so we became robbers. I want to try to rob again. There's one police in front of us over there on the right who's AFK, is not moving. He's just farming monies. So let's go and try robbing the supermarket again. And let's see what happens. I hope I can escape this time on my boat and be successful. But let's go, let's do it. Okay, let's enter. Rebecca, hands in the air, give me your monies. He's again at the police station and he is coming. He's really good at being a police. He's experienced. He's already here. Oh no, he's already here. I think I'll escape to the other side of the other exit. He's over there, you can see. Let's go here, let's go. No! I tried to escape from the other side. What am I doing? No, he's shooting at me in my half health. Run. Yes, let's go. He's missing shots. This was funny. Let's go. Keep going. Kind of laggy as well. I didn't need to lag right now. You can see on the map. He is coming very fast. Let's turn here. No, I banged into Bailey's. No. He's gonna come at me now. No, he's come back again. Get lost, bro. Stop ejecting me out of my car. I just want to escape. I need money. I don't have enough money as already. Okay, where am I running? This is bad. Let me try shooting at him. I'm horrible at this. Look at me. He's not even getting shot. I'm the one getting shot. No, I got arrested again. Oh my god, the bus. Arrest count number 2. It's okay. It'll be alright. We try again. We're at the police station. That was fun though. Just spawn a car, become a robber again, and we shall try to escape this time. Okay, so I was roaming around to see if the police was still there, and we're gonna go and try to rob Bailey's again because it's a pretty good place to get a lot of loot, and this time I'm gonna be successful in escaping on the boat. I hope. Scarlet, I'm back. You don't have your candlestick yet. He's in the same place. Oh no, he's coming. He's coming already. Scarlet, hurry up! He's already away. I'm so tired right now. Sorry, let me escape through this other side. I don't think he realizes I've escaped from the other side. I need to go to my boat as soon as possible. Okay, let's go. He didn't come on me. I sped this up, as in he didn't come to catch me. Like, he didn't stand in my car or anything, so I'm escaping as fast as possible. They lost my trail temporarily, I guess. I'm being tracked. He's still coming. I think he's trying to cut me off. He thinks he can cut me off. But let's go and spawn in my boat and escape on my boat. The great grand escape on the boat. Let's go. He's coming. My boat is over here. I'm running as fast as I can. Jump on the boat, drive. Off I go. Yes, you can't catch me now. It's difficult to ride the boat on the phone. So excuse me for the weird driving. But the guy can't catch me. I have escaped. What is he doing? He's in the water. Does he have his own boat? Why is he coming so fast? He has his own boat. No! No, this was unsuccessful. No. He's gonna catch me again. I'm horrible at driving boats. No. Trying to run as fast as possible. No, he came on my boat. He's gonna eject me again. I just wanna escape. Give me my money. Gosh, this is so weird. My boat. Gotta jump out of this. Oh gosh. This was the best idea. Jump in the water. Let's hope he doesn't catch me. He's shooting me through the water. I'm at half health. He's still on my boat, according to the map. I'm trying to swim away. I'm being tracked. Okay. Does he know where I am? Oh, I'm getting shot. Oh no. I fell to the bottom. It's really dark. And he's here. And I got arrested again. This is horrible. It was funny though. That was very funny. That was close. That was fun. I did enjoy doing this a lot. If you guys did enjoy, do leave a like. Definitely comment. Definitely subscribe for more content. And I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye.